Hi, I'm John Holden.
And I'm Andrea Ocampo.
Welcome to Earth. Hi, I'm John Holden. Welcome to Earth. We're starting off our show here in Iceland, a remote country that's at the forefront of solving our Earth's carbon problems in most unique ways. But the technology that's reality here now actually started with simulation software developed in the good old USA, as you're about to see. "30 miles outside of Reykjavik, Iceland, on a tundra-like lava plateau, sits an otherworldly-looking structure. But we're not looking at the set of a sci-fi movie. We're here to explore what may be a key to moving Earth towards an important climate change solution. This structure in Iceland, known as Orca, consists of 8 towering carbon collectors connected to a processing facility. Now, the idea is to remove CO2 directly from the air and then actually store it underground. In fact, this is the world's first direct air carbon capture and storage facility in commercial operation, and currently the largest in the world.
Even though we are located in the middle of nowhere at the top of the world, we have here the first direct air capture and storage solution in the globe. So what we have are these collector containers which suck in the air, the ambient air from outside, and we have a specialized filter inside that captures the CO2. It's very important to keep in mind that every ton of CO2 that you take out of the air is a ton of CO2 that is not contributing to climate change.
The abundant geothermal energy of Iceland provides the renewable power to operate the half-acre Orca facility that can remove up to 4,000 tons of CO2 a year from the atmosphere. After the carbon is removed, a partner company called CarbFix takes over the process to permanently store the carbon deep underground.
So we take the CO2 and through pipes we inject it back to Earth. And in under 2 years it gets mineralized, so it turns into stone. And under pressure it mineralizes under 2 years and becomes rock solid, as
Like
you see
this.
here. Yeah.
Solid carbon like this.
Solid carbon. Our aim is to store it underground and get rid of the CO2.
Forever.
Forever.
This is the process that nature uses to regulate long-term CO2 levels in the atmosphere. And over 99% of all carbon that exists on Earth is already stored in the rocks underneath us. And now we have proven that in just 2 years we can permanently transform CO2 to stone rather than it affecting the climate in a negative way.
So, how does a company first come up with these environmental breakthroughs? The Pennsylvania-based company integral to Orca's innovative direct air capture technology is the forward-thinking simulation software company called Ansys. They're supporting all kinds of companies looking to solve the multifaceted challenges of climate change by developing simulation software that can help create a more sustainable future.
Ansys simulation solutions give designers and engineers the ability to explore and to predict how products will work or won't work in the real world. Above all, simulation is an enabler of innovation, and innovation is a key ingredient for sustainability. We help companies around the world develop the products that you rely on every day, from smarter mobile devices to cleaner electric cars, and frankly everything in between.
In this case, the company that created Orca's revolutionary technology is called Climeworks. Working in Zurich, Switzerland, Climeworks used Ansys simulation software to first design and develop this critical technology.
We used the Ansys software in different parts of our process. One thing was to understand how the air flows through our collector. And knowing this, we could improve it. So you can always improve things by trial and error, and using software as the Ansys software, it could help us to move on quicker. So we could drive innovation quicker. We didn't have to build a prototype to understand it. We could model it to know if something is better or worse than what we had.
This results in more efficient designs, less materials waste, and ultimately more sustainable product development.
By 2030, we need to be at above 1 million tons a year, and then by mid-century, 2050, we need to be at 1 billion tons a year in order to meet the challenge ahead.
New technology like Orca, developed by Climeworks and Ansys, represents just one strategy to combat climate change, but we need so much more.
Orca is not a magic pill. It's very important to keep that in mind. It is a part of a holistic approach. We need every hands on deck in the fight against climate change.
Simulation software from Ansys is helping the entire industry become more sustainable by offering viable solutions in the digital domain.
Here at Orca, the result of that innovation is as clear as the Iceland sky. And the air that we're breathing right here and now is a whole lot cleaner because of it.